Hello everybody! Today we have some Walmart haul. I guess some new things that I never seen before. And some of them went on... Actually, I've never even seen them before, but they're already on discounted price. So, and we have little boy. I decided that those toys might be appropriate, especially that they're very cute and fits into our mini collection of micro toys, I would say. And so, just in case, welcome to our channel, pockets full of toys, and today we're unboxing some sort of new things from Walmart. I bought just one, and we have few more, but that belongs to a lady who is helping me to unboxing those gorgeous things.
Hello.
So let me introduce my little helper, who is gonna interrupt me. She's gonna do many funny sounds while pushing the camera, shaking the table. So bear with me and enjoy. Yeah, we decided to just because after they released Barbies, I think the entire Walmart just reappeared with a new produce, and we were very excited and decided to try them all. Just one piece here, one piece here.
And one thing. These say city blocks, so I'm guessing you can connect these together to make a big city.
I'm sure, yes. That's precisely the point. I guess we are doing what was the name of the city where the New York, right? Where the Spider-Man lived. Yeah, I think New York. So we are building streets of New York, which is Polyville, and who else was? So all together, right? Okay, so let's proceed with the culture. Let us build the city first, and then we're gonna move to some Pinata Smashlings. This is the smallest egg because they have bigger and bigger sizes. The same with the Adopt Me Mystery Pet. The same situation. They have bigger, and this is already series 2. I don't know what is it. The only thing I'm not buying plushes. I'm not plushing. This one, our magic mixes. We used to have entire collection. I got rid of them. Just donated. And we have Doorables, Technicolor.
Technicolor.
Oh, Technicolor. I told you, someone is gonna annoy me on all the video. So then we have Marvel, Disney Junior, Little Houses, with the action figurines. And as you, my little assistant, noticed, they are connected. Which is, remember the Doorables, they used to be connected too, but then they got rid of that function. The same here. We have pizza parlor. This one is Citibank, and they are also connected.
Okay,
And the third one is a supermarket, the same yellow, and the original price as per sticker it was $8.50. Now they discounted up all the way to 2.
Wait.
These guys are brand new, no discount, and just because my little darling was complaining that nobody buys her anything except for this, right? As if I'm playing with them. So she was complaining she needs something special, and the special Furbies. We never had them, or we had
Furblets.
it's not even Furby Furblets, and they are not even Furbies. Real
Furby Furblets.
So there are 6. We've seen them all. I allowed to buy only 2 because we bought too many other things. Don't shake the table, please.
For $50.
No, this is 5. This was 5. So this one also under 5, like 3 something. Probably $3.99.
5.
This one probably was 5. So I'm trying to. This is a budget. If there is a new thing that is under $5, I'm always buying them because what is the $5 now?
Wait, do they look? Because I noticed that in each one it shows a villain. So in this one it shows a villain, that one shows a villain. Maybe they come with villains.
Maybe not. Maybe they are discounted for a reason. Let's start with the bank. I think because somebody already opened or never closed. So when we open, we have bank, and the size of this. So we can open doors, and then we have a spider web on the back. This is how it looks from inside out. And if we stand it, it's like this, but I'm gonna put it so you can see it. And inside the bag we have I don't think there's villain because you see it. There's only one figurine. So we have a Spider-Man, but I think this Spider-Man is not regular Spider-Man.
Because this is this is Spidey and Friends, Disney Junior. So they come with different characters.
Who's here?
This is Spider-Man's sidekick, I guess.
Knock figures out. So this, are we missing something? Okay, so you see the gimmick here is this thing moves, so you put the figurine on the top and it falls by itself, so no need to knock. So, and technically you do like this, oh, and they fall on the neck, papa, and then you close the door and close the thing. Excuse me. So our boy, he actually didn't play with the sponge. You see, it's connecting. So far he's not at the age when he can play with those. Next.
Yeah.
So we're opening pizza parlor. Nice pizza. You wanna open it? Oh, let me remove this.
Okay, let me see.
What is inside?
Okay, where's... Okay.
We have a door.
With the spider.
We have some table set up. And what's supposed to happen? Okay, the same. You see gimmick, notes down.
Oh, I think it's some sort of like this. So, like Spider-Man and Spider-Man and Spider-Man. Sorry.
Okay, you need one kit to figure out how to play with this. Okay,
So-
we have a Spider-Man.
So, Spider-Man goes to the door, the pizza just slaps over Spider-Man.
No, I think maybe opposite. Like you open the door, and the Spider-Man comes out, and it slaps into the face, something like that. I mean, there is a lot of opportunities, but you see, the kid figured it. We have one more pizza plate, and in terms of connection, so you see the pin here and the hole here. So I guess we just connect them like this, and we have connecting buildings. So one more. Plastic-free packaging. Finished now. Of course, I told you somebody is gonna shake the table, move everything around, make a comment, digging the nose. Yeah. And then, so this one, who knows the name of those figurines? And let me show you the back side. The producer is. And who's the producer? You see, this is how you play. There is an instruction how you play with them. It's a Marvel Hasbro. Ooh, expectedly cheap plastic. Okay.
Oh, so you do like this and then.
Okay, so you need to open before two. So you hit the villains and the heroes. So
And look. So look, clear door. Door with villain.
Villain.
Clear door. Door with villain.
Can you show from inside? What is
Okay.
inside? We have here a bunch of little villains and some pumpkin. Here was a veggies market, and here just Halloween setting. And we connect our building. Oh. I see potential. Yeah, I think our baby boy is gonna play with it. Do you see potential? So, and this lady is someone whom I don't know, because we unfortunately not into Marvel Junior things, but I'm into mini micro toys, whatever brand. I'm loving them all.
Who's next? I think Magic Mixes, okay? Magic Mixes. Next.
Magic Mixes. She used to be obsessed with Magic Mixes in early years. I think especially was from the age 5 to 5.5. Basically in the first grade. So Crystal Woods, Magic Mixlings, collector's cauldron. So meaning to say we don't trash cauldron. So you add some water, blah 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 blah, and then beautiful what? It's geodes, I guess, crystal let's see what is that. One surprise mixing accessory. This is collector's guide, so it's gonna bubble. So I'm gonna send her to sink. While she's in the sink, we're gonna open. So we have flutterflies, Lucky Links, Loxies, Aqua Changas, then Glow Links, and limited edition Shima.
I like the glow link.
Glow Links, I like them all. Do you have 5? Because it said 5.
Yep, I have 5.
So the company who produces them is Moose. And what did I open recently from the Moose? Oh, we have set of amazing things that I'm gonna show you in different videos. So these are towers that we play with, and it was a very successful thing for our boy. And so let's open. And we have powders as always. So this is like do not remove. So we add water, and I'm gonna send her to do that. Okay, she's gonna come back with her little hidden treasure. Maybe we're gonna go back to collecting.
I don't know.
You don't know. All right, guys, we're back.
And we have this.
We have this.
Can I please see the catalog? Thank you. This is...
Cool.
Oh, this is weird. I've never seen one like this.
That like it looks like they are glow links, maybe.
Glow links?
Because look, I don't know. Who is this? Oh yeah. Maybe there is another catalog that we are missing with the description. So it is a little potion. And are you sure there's nothing else? And yeah, no, wait. So we have a collector's guide with a huge list of things to collect.
We
and
have aqua changer.
We have aqua change and Gramin. Her name is Gramin.
Yeah, so what do you do with... Okay, so this is instruction.
Cast the water spell to change their
color. Let's see.
So warm water, like it's warm water. You put it on the... And it's cold water, so it changes something with the warm and cold water. And this is...
Are we going to test them out?
Oh, maybe next time.
No, I think at the end of the video, maybe we can add a little clip of the little before and after.
Before and after. It's probably she's gonna change here and change here. So what else? Let's do... Proceed with the question. So Adopt Me, Series 2.
If you did not know, Adopt Me is a game on Roblox.
Yeah, no clue about game of Roblox. So who is the... Jazz Wars. Jazz Wars. Never heard it before. So water reveal egg. Again, we are gonna probably...
Why is everything today
is water?
related to water?
I don't know. Yeah, I see the potential. Look. How about we are not gonna be dealing with water?
Okay,
I'm just gonna break it in front of a camera and see what's gonna happen, because this water is a little bit on the annoying side. Oh no, actually look, I can just remove it like this. Or maybe something else inside requires water. But based on the feel, yeah, this thing can break into water. Okay, we have egg and Adopt Me. And we open.
I'm sure it's made for water.
No.
Oh, because look, underneath are spots.
Oh yeah, so
underneath
this eyes notice this. So let's see.
1 second.
A piggy from Roblox. So yes, it is our piggy. Water we are not gonna try. There was no collector's guide. And
hey, at the bottom of the leg, I see something. On the bottom of the leg here.
And we have something on the bottom of the leg. Some So one more animal to donate. Alright guys, I guess we're gonna finalize video today because we have neighbors coming in, and don't forget
to subscribe to this channel.
Yes, subscribe to our channel, and we are gonna see you next time in the pocket full of toys, because we still have something to open.